फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जिसका नाम है केवन गामी द एक्सप्लोरर। तो आज हम इस सुपर टॉल प्लांट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। इस प्लांट का साइंटिफिक नेम है मोनन लॉन्गिफोलिया एंड इट्स सिनोनिम इज पोलिएल्थिया लॉन्गिफोलिया। हिंदी में इसे आसोपालव कहते हैं। Some of its other English common names are false ashoka, Indian fir tree, Buddha tree, etc. This plant is native to southern India and Sri Lanka, but now it is cultivated over whole Asia. This plant is an evergreen plant and can grow up to a height of 20 meters. The wood of this plant is used to make small articles such as pencils, matchsticks, etc. The leaves of this plant are used for ornamental decoration during festivals. During spring season, the tree is covered with star-shaped flowers. The flowering period does not last for a long period, only 2 to 3 weeks. Hope you learned something new about this tall plant. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my latest videos.